Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Mr. Grimm from Garten of Banban. We're going to start off with the center of the page. On the left side we're going to draw our first line. It's just going to be a simple straight line, a little bit slanted down. This is going to be the side of the head. And we want to repeat the same shape on the right. Right around here, going down at a slant. And once you're done with these two shapes, let's just draw in two little bit of horn shapes on the side. We're gonna go top, left like so, on one side. And repeat on the other side, top, left. And then we're gonna go back up to these 2 points, connecting our two sharp fins. Like so. And Mr. Grimm has some horns, so let's just draw those in. We're going to start off with a U in the middle of the head and draw in our first little horn and connect. And we want to repeat this on the other side and connect. With most of the body and the horns done, let's draw in the face. We're going to start off with a curve right here for the top of the eye, and then we want to go down towards the middle like so and connect. And this is going to be the left eye, and we want to do the right eye by doing the same shape. Go up, down, and connect. For the mouth, it's just going to start right here. I'm going to curve up, go across, back down for a big smile, and back up to connect. With that done, let's draw in the inside of the mouth. With a similar shape, following the outside. Slowly going down and connect up. Now we just need a bunch of creepy little teeth. Let's just add in those one at a time. We're drawing these almost like these little sharp U shapes all the way across. And you're pretty much done with the face, so we can move over to the body. For the body, let's draw in the bottom of the body. Just going to be a U shape, leaving some space. And this will allow us to draw in the arms. We're going to go out, down, on both sides. So, let's draw in some creepy little arms. Do a little bit of spikes, a little thumb, same on the other side, 1, 2, 3, and these are going to be the arms on either side. And finally we just need the feet. Feet we could curve a little bit on either side, and then we want to connect it by going down like so. I'm going to give it a little bit of sharp nails. That's looking great. And there you have it, your very own drawing of Mr. Grimm from Garten of Banban. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.